What if I told you that right now, without any experience, you could start making money online using AI? Sounds unbelievable, right? Keep watching because by the end of this video, you will know more than 5 simple, actionable ways you can harness AI tools to create an online income, even if you're starting from zero. And just very quickly, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. It keeps me motivated and energized to bring you more valuable content. Thank you, and let's get into the video. Please take notes. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to use AI to create high demand digital products. You can create professional looking ebooks in minutes by using AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Gemini to generate content. I recommend to focus on tips you know are trending or highly sought after in your niche. You can research trending topics using platforms like Google Trends or Answer the Public to ensure your product has enough demand. Let AI help you generate unique content. You can format your ebook with design tools like Canva, which offer AI-powered templates. This will save you time while keeping your product visually more appealing. You can publish your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Gumroad to reach a global audience. Pricing can start as low as $2.99 for high sales volume. You can use AI to translate your ebooks into multiple languages. Tools like DeepL or ChatGPT can help you to access international markets. You can use AI to create an audiobook version of your content. Platforms like Descript make voice editing very easy, and AI generated voices are improving every day. You can bundle your ebook with other digital products like templates, online courses, or checklists. These can also be AI generated to increase the value of your offering. You can use AI generated email sequences to market your ebooks. This automation ensures consistent promotion to your target audience. You can create niche-specific guides to attract a target audience. For instance, a guide for beginners, freelancers, or fitness enthusiasts. I would highly recommend that you promote your product through free social media channels. You can use AI to create short-form, highly engaging content for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube to help you drive more traffic. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to leverage AI for freelance services. You can offer copywriting services using AI tools like Jasper, ChatGPT, or Gemini to generate engaging content for clients. I recommend to tailor your output to meet their unique needs. You can use AI to design professional logos or graphics. Tools like Canva or Midjourney make creating stunning visuals accessible even for complete beginners. You can use transcription tools like Otter.ai to provide transcription services. Many businesses and podcasters need this type of service done quickly. You can use AI to improve SEO for clients by creating keyword-rich blog posts or meta descriptions. Platforms like Surfer SEO can assist with optimization. You can create video scripts or content outlines for YouTube creators using AI. I recommend to focus on niches where creators need consistent output. You can use AI to generate leads for other businesses. Tools like Apollo or LinkedIn's Sales Navigator paired with AI make targeting very easy. You can also provide chatbot services by setting up AI-driven chatbots for websites. Many businesses want to enhance their customer support with automation. You can offer AI-enhanced social media management. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite paired with AI-generated captions and content can help you to manage posts much more efficiently. You can use AI to create pitch decks or presentations. Tools like Beautiful.ai simplify the design and storytelling process. I would highly recommend that you start on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork.com. These freelance marketplaces make it easy to find clients even as a beginner. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to automate and monetize social media content. You can use AI to generate daily posts for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or X. AI caption generators can save you hours of brainstorming. You can create AI generated carousels or infographics content. Tools like Canva or Adobe Express make this process very simple. You can use AI to write highly engaging video scripts for different social platforms like TikTok or YouTube. I recommend to focus on creating content that educates or entertains in some way. You can also repurpose your old content using AI. Tools like Descript and Opus Clip can turn long-form videos into short, highly engaging and attention-grabbing clips. You can build a social media following by using AI to identify trending hashtags. This helps you to tap into different topics that are already gaining a lot of traction. You can use AI to schedule posts at highly optimal times. Tools like Buffer analyze your audience to maximize engagement. You can create affiliate marketing posts with AI-driven captions and visuals. Focus on promoting products and services that align really well with your audience's best interests and pain points. You can use AI analytics tools to refine your content strategy. This ensures you're creating posts that resonate more with your target audience. You can create AI-powered surveys or quizzes to highly engage your followers. These types of tools can help you build your email list or drive more organic traffic. I would highly recommend that you experiment with different content formats. You can use AI to create reels, memes, or even interactive polls to find what works best for your audience. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to develop an AI-driven online course. You can use AI tools to research highly in-demand topics for your online course. I recommend to focus on subjects with a proven track record of interest. You can outline your entire online course curriculum with AI. This saves you time and ensures logical progression for your students. You can create video scripts for your course using AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. These scripts ensure your delivery is concise and highly professional. You can generate slide decks or course handouts with AI design platforms. This gives your materials a more polished look. You can use AI to create practice quizzes or interactive assignments. These enhance the learning experience for your students. You can also record your course with AI-powered teleprompters. Tools like BigVoo help you stay confident on the camera. You can use AI to transcribe your online course videos. This makes it very easy to provide captions or create supplementary ebook. You can also sell your online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. These online platforms handle the technical side so you can simply focus on the content. You can use AI to create marketing materials for your course. Social media ads or email sequences can be written in just minutes. I would highly recommend that you offer a free mini course as a lead magnet. You can use AI to create a very enticing giveaway that leads to more signups. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to start an AI-driven affiliate marketing business. You can use AI to identify profitable affiliate programs in your niche. I recommend to look for high commission opportunities in areas that you're passionate about or have some good knowledge in. You can use AI to write compelling product reviews. Focus on highlighting benefits and addressing common pain points in your niche. You can create AI-generated blog posts optimized for SEO. This drives organic traffic to your affiliate links. You can make YouTube videos or TikToks with AI-written scripts. Show how products solve specific problems and pain points for your target audience. You can also use AI to design email campaigns for your affiliate promotions. Automated email sequences help to keep your audience highly engaged. You can use chatbots to handle questions about your affiliate products. AI tools like ManyChat make this setup very simple. You can A and B test your affiliate strategies with AI analytics tools. This helps you to double down on what works. You can create comparison charts or buying guides using AI. This makes it much easier for users to make purchase decisions. You can use AI to create personalized product recommendations. This helps to build trust with your audience and increase conversions. I would highly recommend that you keep track of your progress using AI-driven tools. Analyze your sales and then further refine your strategies based on the performance. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to build and monetize an AI-powered blog. You can use AI to research keywords that your audience is actively searching for on Google. Tools like Ahrefs and the Keyword Planner or SEMrush simplify this process for you. You can generate blog posts in minutes using AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. Ensure that you edit for a personal touch to help you stand out more. You can create engaging titles and headlines with AI-powered headline generators. This increases click-through rates to your blog articles. You can optimize your content for search engines using AI tools. I recommend to incorporate specific keywords naturally for better Google rankings. You can use AI to generate images or illustrations for your blog. Tools like DALL-E 2 make unique visuals accessible to everyone. You can monetize your blog through ad networks like Google AdSense. AI can help identify the most profitable placements for your ads. You can create lead magnets using AI to grow your email list. Free ebooks, guides, online courses or templates and mini courses really work well as incentives. You can schedule content using AI tools to maintain some good consistency. Regular posting builds trust with your audience. You can also collaborate with other creators by reaching out with AI written pitches. Partnerships can boost your traffic significantly. I would highly recommend that you track your blog's performance using Google Analytics and other AI analytics tools. This ensures you stay on top of what your audience actually likes and wants. Let's now move on to tip number 7, which is to offer AI-driven personalized coaching or consulting. You can use AI to create personalized onboarding questionnaires for your clients. Tools like Typeform or ChatGPT can generate custom forms very quickly. You can analyze your clients' needs with AI-powered analytics tools. These provide actionable insights that can help you offer targeted solutions. You can generate personalized action plans for clients using AI tools. For example, create fitness plans, business roadmaps, or learning scheduled tailored to their goals. You can use AI to automate appointment scheduling. Tools like Calendly paired with AI simplify managing your calendar. You can provide 24/7 support using AI-driven chatbots. This ensures your clients feel supported even when you're offline. You can use AI to create detailed progress reports for clients. Highlight wins and areas for improvement with visually appealing charts. You can create mini online courses or video lessons which are tailored to your clients' challenges. Use AI to outline and produce these resources more efficiently. You can automate email reminders and follow-ups using AI. This keeps your clients on track without any additional effort. You can offer scalable group sessions by using AI to manage questions and resources. This helps you reach more clients simultaneously. I would highly recommend that you focus on a specific niche for your coaching. AI tools can help you identify underserved areas where you can stand out. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to create and sell AI generated art and designs. You can use AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E 2 to create stunning, unique artwork. These AI tools allow you to generate art in different styles very simply. You can sell your AI generated art on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble or Society6. Print-on-demand services make production and shipping very seamless. You can use AI to create branded designs for businesses. Offer logos, social media templates, or merchandise designs which are tailored to their needs. You can create themed digital art packs or printable designs using AI. For example, seasonal graphics or motivational posters. You can use AI to design unique NFTs for the blockchain market. Pair your creations with storytelling to increase their value. You can build a subscription service offering new AI art each month. This creates recurring income while showcasing your creativity. You can also create AI-enhanced photo editing services. Tools like Adobe Sensei or Lumina AI allow you to transform images professionally. You can also bundle your AI generated art with other services like social media content. Businesses often need both visuals and copy. You can collaborate with influencers by offering custom designs. AI can speed up the creation process, making collaborations easier. I would highly recommend that you build a portfolio showcasing your AI creations. This attracts clients and demonstrates your expertise in leveraging AI for art. That's it, 8 powerful tips that you can use right away. Now, the next thing to do to take your learning to the next level is click the link in the description or the comments below to get instant access to free training resources and online courses at my website. These resources are perfect for all skill levels and will guide you step by step to building a successful online business. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It helps me to create more valuable content for you. Plus, let's connect on LinkedIn. My LinkedIn link is in the description below. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel, and have an amazing day.